Feedback and reinforcement. For effective corporate training, feedback and reinforcement are the secret ingredients that make growth and improvement possible. This video will take you on a journey to explore the art and science of constructive feedback. We'll dive into principles like positive reinforcement, feedback loop closure, and diverse perspectives, which not only help your participants excel but also keep them engaged and committed to continuous learning. 1. Positive reinforcement, the power of encouragement. Imagine positive reinforcement as a magical elixir that nurtures behaviors we want to see more of. Trainers who recognize and praise participants' efforts create a cycle of motivation. This kind of reinforcement boosts the participants' confidence and encourages them to improve. When trainers acknowledge the participants' progress, they show that effort leads to success, turning challenges into chances for growth. For example, in a negotiation training, the trainer can praise participants for their use of negotiation tactics and highlight how their efforts could contribute to a successful outcome. 2. Feedback loop closure, the key to learning. Think of feedback as a catalyst for continuous learning. Feedback loop closure happens when trainers provide specific inputs and give the participants time to think and take action. When trainers offer guidance tailored just for the participants, and they take a moment to reflect and make changes, learning becomes an ongoing process of improvement. This loop doesn't just improve participants' skills, it also makes them more committed to getting better. For example, in a project management training, provide the participants feedback after they make a plan, then they will revise it based on the advice, and finally, they will finalize the plan, creating a feedback loop. 3. Peer feedback, learning together. Peer feedback adds an exciting twist to participants' learning experience. When trainers encourage the participants to provide feedback to their peers, it promotes self-regulated learning. The participants become both learners and evaluators, broadening their horizons and feeling more responsible for their growth. This not only makes the feedback loop stronger but also creates a culture of learning together. For instance, in communication training, the participants might exchange summaries of their presentations and offer suggestions for improvement. 4. Challenges as opportunities, seeing the positive. Constructive feedback strategies teach the participants to view challenges as steps toward growth. When trainers provide helpful guidance, the participants learn to welcome constructive criticism and setbacks with resilience. This shift in thinking keeps them engaged because they start seeing obstacles as chances to get better, rather than as reasons to give up. For example, after time management training, guide the participants to find areas where they face challenges and celebrate their efforts to learn new strategies. Conclusion: the symphony of growth through feedback. Feedback and reinforcement are more than just tools, they're like a beautiful symphony that makes growth and learning happen. By using positive reinforcement, closing the feedback loop, and including peer feedback, trainers create an environment where the participants can constantly improve. Challenges become stepping stones to success, boosting the participants' engagement and dedication to their personal and professional growth. As trainers navigate the world of feedback and reinforcement, they conduct a symphony that resonates deeply, turning the participants into empowered agents of their own development. If you're enjoying the content and would like to view more, I humbly request that you consider liking the videos and subscribing to my channel. Doing so would help me tremendously, enabling me to create even more captivating content for you to enjoy. Thank you for your support. Do have a great day.